Good afternoon, brothers. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. My name is Scott, and we have an unboxing today. Yes, from Phoenix Artizan Accouterments. Haven't ordered them for a little bit, so I was due. So let's get this open. The knife didn't open as smooth as I would have liked it to have, so yeah, probably gonna put a little something in there to help that. Now today we got a couple of things, and let's see, well, a few things. We got three things. So two of them I got couple of bar soaps for the shower. I got Honeysuckle and I got Dapper Doc. Dapper Doc is my favorite scent that they make. I just love this stuff. It's my #1 scent of everything I own. This is it. So I encourage you to try that one. And of course, Honeysuckle is a very nice one. It very reminds me of springtime in Maryland back when I was a kid. It reminds me of that. Let's see what else I got here. Now, the next thing I have here, I got something here to show you. Let me preface this. First of all, I do not like light razors. All those super light ones. Generally, I don't care for them. So I end up getting this. So let me show you this. Nice little case in there. This is their 10th anniversary razor. Nice blue case. Sorry, I'm just going to pull up high enough so you can see it. Oh, nice little case. Liking this case a lot. Can't read that. Let's get glasses on so I can see better. Ever moist what the heck? I'm not even sure what that is. Okay, well, we'll figure that out. Okay. A decade of difference. Shaving. What's in here? Okay. Sorry, this was in the top of it. What's in here? Oh, okay, cool, cute. Little cloth, little polishing cloth. Cool, okay. And now, sorry, hold up. Must be like a business card type of thing. Now, 10 years of epic. Comes with some blades. I see like 15 blades here. A little pull-out thing. And okay, so I'm a liar. Okay. It is Bakelite handle. Yeah, I got an affinity for the Bakelite of the old like 50s use of Bakelite. It's a type of plastic, like the original plastic is what I call it. So it's a Bakelite handle, Bakelite open comb, base plate, and that gold-plated top. So I thought it was cool. So I want to try. Yes, it's a very light razor. And I'm not normally one to use too many light razors or even plastic razors. I have one other very old Bakelite handled razor that's a really garbage head on that I have to. It's a project I have to work on, so it's a lot of work to do. But look at that thing. That is gorgeous. So, Fran and Douglas, very nice. Liking this a lot. It's really it just glistens. Let's open up and see what it looks like. Okay, metal threads in there, nice, noted. Metal post, so we have metal. And your classic 3-pin. Okay, classic little 3-pin design there. An open comb. I'm intrigued by that being basically plastic, Bakelite there. An open comb. So let's see what that does. I'm very intrigued by that. We'll see. But I just thought you'd appreciate seeing the unboxing. And with that, go with God.